In this video, we're going to be posting to the network embeds module, and to get that going we have to set up the options, we have to import accounts, and we have to tell it what videos need to be done. So first things first, we need to go to Longtail Alpha, because that generates the unique titles for us. And you can see I've already set up a little project here, which is very simple. In the first one, I'll say buy HCG injections. The second one I'll just put in, and in the third column I've put South Africa, and then 2 telephone numbers and a few towns. I'm not doing the whole of South Africa here because I'm just doing like the major ones. So if we have a look here, you can see it says buy HCG injections in South Africa, call that number or that number. So that's what the Longtail Alpha is going to be doing for us. Okay, let's go back to network embeds. So first things first, we have to set up the options. Okay, so as you can see, I've already done it. So with social bookmarks, I wanted to bookmark after uploading, and I wanted to use the Longtail Synd keywords, and I've only got one project there, so I'll select that and I'll say verify and save it. And yeah, this is for the Longtail Synd keywords. This is for the bookmarking, and in fact this will use a different title when it does the bookmarking. And I select the Longtail Alpha project, and I verify and save it. I'm working on my home PC, don't have the fastest internet connection yet, so I'm using 5 threads, and in this case I wanted to make a link wheel, okay, because we want to be link wheeling everything. All of these things we're going to be link wheeling. Okay, we want to ping the URLs after uploading and index them. So that's done. Let's have a look at the accounts. Okay, so no accounts here. I think I've got about 85 channels loaded here. So let's click the import button. I've got 89 profiles there, that's far too many. So what I'm going to do is we don't need millions and millions of them. I'm just going to select some. So import. Okay, 585, that'll be fine. You know, really you don't need to go to millions here, keep it to 500 or so. So what I'm going to be doing here is the money URL. I'm going to be, because I want to be linking from the network embeds to the tube link wheels, I am going to say import from tube link wheels, and then it'll bring in the different URLs that it created when we did the tube link wheels part of the strategy. Yeah, I need to add, and okay, over here when you're doing the title, whatever you put in the title here is immaterial, because of the fact that it's going to be using a title that gets created from Longtail Alpha. So you could in fact just put anything you like in there. Okay, again you're going to select the category, and you're going to put the video URL. This is your main video URL again, so we go up here and we select that main video URL. Okay, and we put that in there. So it is it's going to be linking to that all the time. The keywords, I don't think I copied them. Okay, let me just pause this. So yeah, I've put in the title, which is going to be ignored. It's going to use Longtail Alpha. I've put in a whole lot of inner URLs to my website. I've used the title token here to put in, or the modifiers, to put in some additional keyword stuff. I've put in this videos, the money videos URL at the bottom, because often people come and scrape your results, scrape your videos, and if they do, then they're going to be scraping my money video and my channel and giving me a link back. Okay, so I've put in the video URL. That's the money video URL. We've basically got this all set up so I can say add. Alright, you'll remember I imported the tube link wheel URLs over there, so we're basically ready to start syndicating. So I'm going to select it. So then I've also set up the video. I've added that, as you can see. So now all we have to do is click start syndication, and all things being equal, it should say uploading request to queuing system. Let me make these a bit smaller, and very soon it should start turning green. Okay, so yeah, we can see some of them have started going. In fact, there's a few failures, but that works very, very well. So let's just have a look at one of these videos that I've uploaded, because remember, we want these, the network embeds, to link to the tube link wheels. So let's have a look if it's done that. Okay, budget advertising, more. Here you can see it's added one of my inner URLs there. Let's put the titles in by HCG injections in Leisner, which is the town that it's targeting. By HCG, I've just done it twice. Okay, it's got the channel. Oops. Sorry, my Skype's still making funny noises, yeah. Okay, now this one here will be one of the links. Compile. That will be one of the links over here, the tier 2 links. All things being equal, yeah, purchase HCG. Okay, it's all the same video. This one here is linking to the tube link wheels. So we have a link going from there to there. We have also other links going on, but that's an important thing, that is staying there. Okay, so this one has now uploaded as many as you want. There's many other things that we can do with the network embeds. The network embeds, like for instance, we've got here where we can send it to Pinger, we can send it to the social bookmarks, which we haven't even discussed here yet. But for now, what I want to do is to let's do the Web 2.0 embeds. And so I'm going to delete this project. Okay, So with Web 2.0 now, what we want is a new project, and we'll call it HCG1. Okay, so again, we want to import the money video from the tube link wheel. So I'm going to do that. So that's the URLs that were generated when we did the tube link wheel. Let's go to options. Again, we've got to do this again. We wanted a social bookmark after uploading. We wanted to use long tail Synd alpha keywords, and we wanted to use that campaign. Same thing here. This is for the actual posting. Ping ping. So we can say let's use 5 threads. Okay, so the options there, pretty standard. We'll set that up. Accounts. Let's have a look how many accounts we can actually import. Import. Let's see if I select them all. Import. 705. Yeah, that'll be fine. Okay, that should be fine. As long keep it below 1,000. Then videos. Now we need to tell it what to do. So we've already said we want to link to the tube link wheel videos that we uploaded earlier, and over here we're going to put our video URL in, which is this one. That's your money URL. But I could also put those in there actually. I think I will. Copy. Okay. So what I'm going to do here now is I'm going to put those in there. So it won't be the same URL that gets linked to all the time, but it'll be one of those. It's just like a double keywords. Let me get the keywords. There we go. Okay, description, I've got it down here. You can see the spun. Well, that's the wrong one. Here it is. I've used Spin Rewriter for this one because Word AI is giving me a hard time. I've put the money URL in there and my channel. Okay, put that in there. And now I can sprinkle some extra titles in here, some words in here, so modifier. That's the one where I've got it in location. Down here, I'll put title. And in the title here, because we've told it to use long tail alpha, it doesn't really matter what we put there. It's going to use one of those. So I'm just going to go like so. So what have we done? We've put the tube link wheels in YAM, so we are link wheeling those link wheels. Over here we've put a very well spun article in that has the website URL in. Okay, we've put a few modifiers in here in the title so that it's a bit more optimized. All sorted out. Click add. So recap quickly. Options we've set up, we've told it to use the long tail alpha and to use that campaign. Same here, use 5 threads, make a link wheel. Accounts we've got 705, and the video we are all sorted out here. Okay, so what it's going to do, it's going to embed one of these videos. Okay, so I'm going to say start syndication, and all things being equal, there it is. Okay, well, network embeds, this is saying video URL, but it's actually these Web 2.0 accounts. So we can have a look. Let's have a look down here. Let's have a look at what they look like. Okay, so it's buy in HCG injections in Margate. Call that number or that number. Buy HCG injections in Margate. Call that number. There's the video that's being embedded. That's one of my website URLs. You'll remember I put a little using the token. I put that in there, a title. I think I put another one in. Yeah, not sure what that is. This is my channel. Okay, this is the link to the previous blog, and point blog. This one is Paper Web. So this one is by HCG Injections in Bryanston. Okay, so each one of these does link to my to the money site, but it is linking to the other blogs. So it's like a really powerful link that you're getting here. You're getting the YouTube channel, and this here is this link here would be the purchase HC injections. This one here would be the tube link wheels that we set up. Okay, so we've now done tube networks, tube embeds. Okay, so as you can see at the bottom, this is going to take quite a little while. It's going to take about 20 minutes to, according to this, to do all of the post to all of the blogs, all the Web 2.0 embeds. So I'm going to pause the video and we'll come back later. Okay, I got a bit bored waiting for this to get through, but obviously once, if I'm doing it in a real campaign, I would not do that. I would simply let it run, can have a cup of coffee or do something else, work on my Mac instead of the PC. So this is the network embeds, the Web 2 network embeds and Web 2.0 done. And the last module that we're going to be doing is Video Synd Alpha, which will be the next video.